Hello friends, welcome to my education channel. Today we will discuss about Railway 2018 Assistant Loco Pilot Technician Electrician question paper. Question 1 is friends, lamination of core are generally made of. These are options and correct answer is silicon steel. Question 2nd is friends, which of the following could be approximately the thickness of lamination of a DC machine? These are options and correct answer is 0.5 meter. Question 3rd is friends, the armature of DC generator is laminated to. These are options and correct answer is reduce eddy current loss. Question 4 is friends, the resistance of armature winding depends on. These are options and correct answer is all of the above. Question 5 is friends, the field coils of DC generator are usually made of. These are options and correct answer is copper. Question 6 is friends, the commutator segments are connected to the armature conductors by means of. These are options and correct answer is copper lugs. Question 7 is friends, in a commutator these are options and correct answer is mica is harder than copper. Question 8 is friends, in DC generators the pole shoes are fastened to the pole core by. These are options and correct answer is countersunk screw. Question 9 is friends, according to Fleming right hand rule for finding the direction of induced EMF of. These are options and correct answer is lines of force. Question 10 is friends, Fleming right hand rule regarding direction of induced EMF correlates. These are answer is friends, magnetic flux, direction of motion and the direction of EMF induced. Question 11 is friends, the bearing used to support the rotor shaft are generally. These are options and correct answer is ball bearing. Question 12 is friends, in DC generators the cause of rapid brush wear may be. These are options and correct answer is any of the above. Question 13 is friend, in lap winding the number of brushes is always. These are options and correct answer is same as the number of poles. Question 14 is friends, in a 4-pole DC machine these are options and correct answer is alternate poles are north and south. Question 15 is friends, copper brush in DC machine are used. These are options and correct answer is where low voltage and high currents are involved. Answer A. Question 16 is friends, a separately excited generator as compared to a self-excited generated. These are options and correct answer is has all above features. Question 17 is, in case of DC machines, mechanical losses are primary function of. These are options and correct answer is speed. Question 18 is friends, iron losses in a DC machine are independent of variation. These are options and correct answer is load. Question 19 is friends, in DC generators current to the external circuit from armature is given through. These are options and correct answer is commutator. Question 20 is friends, brushes of DC machines are made of. These are options and correct answer is carbon. Question 21 is friends, if B is the flux density, L the length of conductor and V the velocity of conductor, then induced EMF is given by. These are options and correct answer is A, BVL. Question 22 is, in case of 4-pole DC generator provided with a 2-layer lap winding with 16 coils, the pole pitch will be. These are options and correct answer is 8. Question 23 is friends, the material for commutator brushes is generally. These are options and correct answer is carbon. Question 24 is friends, the insulating material used between the commutator segments is normally. These are options and correct answer is mica. Question 25 is friends, in DC generators the brushes on commutator remain in contact with conductor which. These are options and correct answer is lie under interpolar region. Question 26 is friends, armature reaction of an unsaturated DC machine is. These are options and correct answer is cross magnetizing. Question 27 is friends, DC generators are connected to the bus bars or disconnected from them only under the floating condition. These are options and correct answer is all above. Question 27 is, eddy currents are induced in the pole shoes of a DC machine due to. These are options and correct answer is relative rotation between field and armature. Question 28 is friends, equalizer rings are required in case armatures. These are options and correct answer is lap wound. Question 29 is, a welding generator will have. These are options and correct answer is lap winding. Question 30 is friends, in case of DC machine winding, number of commutator segment is equal to, these are options and correct answer is number of armature coils. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you.